got really dry. Got dry eyes, motherfucker bright as fuck this morning. Back on the rat wheel or hamster wheel, whatever you prefer, huh? Oh god, Jesus Christ, I need to rub my eyeballs, but I can't. Oh, so I lost a kidney then. Move out the way, move out the way. Dead rabbit, nice. Fucking digging holes again. I don't know what. Dusty balls. Okay. Bit of an indication. Let's go a different way. Move out the way, bitch. Move out the way, bitch. Move out the way, bitch. Oh no. I hit that drain and then I forgot there was a speed bump. Ow. My soul. Please sir, just a little more. It's 7:21. It's awfully quiet this side. Extremely quiet. I wonder. Oh my god, it was an absolute scorcher yesterday. Went up to Blue Lagoon in Pantygasseg. Nice place. Rammed right up the arsehole though. Yeah, that was the only downside about it. Oh wait, it's a Saturday today, that's probably why no fuckers here. Take my time today. A little bit. Take my time a little bit today. Because it's Saturday and it's a beautiful day. And no one's on the road. So I don't have to worry too much. But it's 7:23, so I got 10 minutes to set up and work. Which ain't that bad. Watch now, he's gonna go red. Yeah. See, I know him too well. Oh, hello, Roland. Red light, Mr. Red Light, turn to amber and green. That was actually a good song. Let's do more, man. So I got another 3 days shifts, then I'll be off for 2 again, and then I'll be back on 4 night shifts, and then I'll be back on my 8 days off. However, I'll be going to Tenby then, so there will be no group rides for this month, I'm afraid. Well, for next month ish. Oh, the heavens are with me. Yeah boy. Yeah boy. Yeah boy. Click click click. Oh, I really need to itch my eyes. There's a reason to it. Oh, come on then. I won that one. I know it. I won it. So I kept my momentum. Give me a green light, baby. Come on. Come on. Yeah, baby. Ah, the green light gods are with me today.